At the Republican meeting of social workers, President Sadir Japarov spoke about increasing budget revenues by increasing the collection of tax and customs payments. The head of state set such task for the cabinet of ministers. As Sadir Japarov noted, at the end of 2021, the volume of the consolidated budget amounted to 311 billion soms. This year, the task is to collect up 400 billion soms.
Кийинки жылга мен 500 миллиардка жеткирүү милдетин коюп жатам.
Next year, I set the task of raising it to 500 billion. We are actively investing resources in agriculture. Never before has 26 billion soms been allocated as loans to farmers at 6%. Here, I would like to emphasize one point, the peasants and farmers. Of course, this amount is not enough to provide 100% for all peasants and farmers this year, because we have about 500,000 farmers throughout the country. This year, we allocated all the money that we had. Hopefully next year we will provide in full, together with all the funds allocated for irrigation and the purchase of seeds, the provision of other resources. The total amount directed to agriculture will reach 40 billion soms this year.